just boil my kettle, and I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely cup of tea in the morning for just like detoxing and cleansing of the body and all these things. Alright, so tune in as we show you how to do this one. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you a healthy recipe and weight loss and detoxing also, and all cleansing of the body. So tune in with Chef Ricardo, and today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Make yourself a nice lovely cup of tea when you wake up in the morning, like now or at night before you even go to your bed. Sometimes that's good, and a reminder of looking after yourself at home. Alright, so tune in with Chef Ricardo cooking. Beautiful one. Nothing like when you wake up in the morning and you want to have yourself a nice lovely cup of tea, and you know what I mean. So what you want to do, wake up early in the morning, get yourself a nice lovely piece of a lemon or lime. Just simple. Squeeze it off, because this is a large lemon and I don't want to use all of it, so I'm just using a rough board. I just cut into quarter like this. You know? Yeah, lovely. This is very, very good when I can wake up in the morning and make yourself a nice, lovely cup of tea, guys. Honestly. So basically, say if you cannot get any ginger powder, fresh organic ginger, don't too stress yourself, you know what I mean? You're still doing something at home. Just simply put a little bit of the ginger powder in the cup. And you know what I mean, I have a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit in it with the lemon juice also, and a little bit of cinnamon powder, because I'm just making 1 cup of tea. Alright, and now I'm gonna simply put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So if you're about and you know what I mean, you can't get certain kind of ingredients, you can use the powder one where you have at home in the bottle, you know what I mean? Still a part of the detoxing same way. Fill it with some hot water. If you can't get organic honey, you know what I mean, do not stress yourself, guys, because we all know the situation we're in at the moment. Try and just put a teaspoon of honey or half teaspoon. A lot of people can drink it without the honey, but a lot of people cannot, you know what I mean? So if you can, it's better for you to drink without the honey, you know what I mean? Because you know what I mean, but if you can get organic honey, it is better. But if you can do without using this kind of honey, because sometimes this kind of honey come with a lot of sugar, which you have to be careful. Alright? If you don't sure about all of these ingredients, please do your own research. You can Google all of the benefits right here. Alright, so tune into Chef Ricardo show. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more tips and things what you can do at home. And this is a nice lovely cup of tea if you're a person who interested in detoxing, weight loss and cleansing of the body and all these things. The first thing is to drink it early in the morning on an empty stomach or at night before you go to your bed. Alright, more tips again with eating section. You know what I mean? Try and avoid oil, fatty food, and also, you know what I mean, try and eat healthy. That's the most important part. Alright? Thank you for watching, and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.